Today we are talking about one of my featured brands, Hertz and Audison. It's been a brand that I've had for nearly as long as we've been open now, for about 10 years. And it's one of our really main things that we try to sell here at the shop. You know, when you come into a shop like ours here at Meece Car Audio, what we do is we have multiple speakers on our soundboard, and you can listen to the differences that you like. And that's, you know, something that we're very proud of, is that we have all of this on display so that we can kind of, you know, let a customer hear and kind of get the experience of what they may expect in their car from us. We start out with the DC speaker, and then we go into the chin tone, we go into the milli. I'm proud to be Antelope Valley's authorized dealer for this brand, Hertz and Audison. Worked with that brand for a little over 10 years. Training, not only of myself, but the installers, make a big difference in the end result of what you can expect to get out of that. It's actually an honor to work with Hertz and Audison because it's a very prestigious line. So they hand select the best dealers in the nation to be one of their dealers, and here at Meece Car Audio, we're honored to be one of them.